Alright, what's up guys? We're in this cammed out Camaro. Owned by my buddy Parker. Parker, say what's up.
What's going on, y'all?
Going to Exodus Performance today, so Will can fix the gap that he put in upside down when installing this cam kit. But yeah, get to you when we make it there. Alright guys, made it to Exodus Performance out in Austin. Good morning, Will. What are you working on?
Good morning, Maxwell. You know, it's like 8 o'clock. Alright.
It is pretty late in the day.
This is ATS-V.
Pulling the motor on this ATS-V because he hit something, you can see. Will can fix it.
Yeah. Scooty Puff Jr.
That is a Razor electric motorcycle. Alright, picking up where we left off on the car stuff. Will's on a bike now though. Got the ATS-V, FBO, it's like 600 wheel. Got Lorenzo on a bike. Believe it or not, we are taking the Bronco out to an Area 71 meet, which if you guys don't know, it's a secret race meet in Texas. It's really cool. So we're gonna head over there right now and get back to you when we get there.
Hey guys, we got dragged to
right here.
go to Area 71.
Wait, bring it to me.
Yeah.
What's up, gang? It's Katie Benna. I don't know where to look. I'm confused. Where do I look?
Hold on. This is for the ladies who have to watch this channel with their boyfriends.
Alright. Made it to the meet. Check out all the boys. Say hi, Will. All these race cars over here, a bunch of Pro Shark Mustangs and stuff. They're pretty sick. So we'll walk around and show you what's there and maybe film some roll races. And a Ford Ranger.
Katie fucking sneezes weird. And I figured out that she's definitely allergic to bananas today, so. Katie's allergic to bananas. This one's out of service. I don't know about this one.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. This is crazy stuff. It is packed tonight.
Even lower, Max. Even lower, Max. Now pretend like you're roller skating.
I am roller skating.
Yeah.
How the heck do I even do that?
You gotta do it like this. Yo, you hold on. Y'all ready for this? Max, I expect every clip in there.
Oh, okay.
No, I'm
Now we're moving to the back so we can be
To the
by all
front.
the cool kids. If you can sit on each other's lap, we don't gotta crawl in and out.
wants us to be gay.
Parked in the wrong spot away from all my friends. So now I'm just alone.
Sad face.
Sad face.
Do the sad face.
No.
Show them how you pose.
Val probably wants to. Like this for someone to cut out. Because I tried.
Feel good, buddy?
And I just fall right back.
No, it feels really scary. This feels really scary, guys.
Give us some words of wisdom.
Lose weight.
Words of wisdom.
So,
I just don't know what to say.
Will, stay right. Oh. Always dance.
Bar for bar.
You look like a banana and you bruise like one too.
Words of wisdom.
This time it's actually.
Wow.
Oh my god! Oh my god! I thought I lost my tooth watching that.
You like the big girls, Noah? If you're not 280, you're not a lady.
Wow, boom!
Say what's up. No, 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 no.
I got it. Bite my finger.
Stop.
No, no, be nice, be nice. It's a nice video.
For a good video.
Just say what's up.
You just gotta say what's up to the video. You're gonna get famous.
Hey. Boat time. We're gonna be racing the boats.
No, I'm swimming against them.
Will's here. Gracie's here. Katie's here. Watching the boat races. Pretty sick. What are we in right now?
Showing off my twin turbocharged 2017 Tahoe PPV.
What does PPV stand for?
Penis.
Oh, I didn't see the second one. You saw one.
Bro,
Fucking crazy.
fan meeting right here, dude. Maxis 025. Oh, you know the guy? Dude.
That's the guy who filmed all the stuff.
Hell yeah, I'm Justin, bro.
Well,
Oh, that's fucking awesome.
it's a fan meeting, dude.
That car's got a tune, cam, headers, exhaust. What's the retail on one of those?
Piece of shit.
I think it's time to take this guy to school in the mom car. He is creeping. What's up, guys? We're out here hosting a meet. Collaborated with some cool people on car pages from Instagram. So far, it's a pretty good turnout. Started like an hour and a half ago. But, pretty sick. I'll show you what's going on. Alright, police are here. Trying to kick us out for not doing anything.
I've never lost a single race in my life, bro. Smoked Parker the other day.
This guy's cow.
Smoked Hogan.
He's all
smoked
cow.
my brother. Cam
put
Camaro
100
got
on
smoked by a Tahoe, bro.
Put 100 on it, now he doesn't want to do it. Quick.
What's the fastest you've ridden on this thing?
155. This ride's pretty fast.
This ride's really fast.
And what's your address? And what's your address? It's okay, I'll figure that out later. Alright, UT Austin kids, I guess, hosted a car meet and we showed up and there was no one there. So now we're at this ice cream place, Jenny's or something, and got Tahoe, Bronco, Camaro, Caprice with the LS2.
There's Max and Parker. Go say hi.
What up, pork chop?
That meet was so lame, brother.
Waiting for things to happen and they're not. Next up.
Where are y'all from?
England.
You like America or does it suck?
We like it a lot.
Is England cool? Is it worth visiting?
Yeah, definitely. It's definitely worth visiting, but you better take some more clothes because it's cold out there.
Oh, yeah.
It's silly. This is boiling. Like we're dying here.
It's pretty warm out here.
A lot of history in London.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah.
Sweet.
That's awesome. You guys have a good night.
How do you hold dogs? There's something on her paws is gonna get all her arms.
Like a baby.
Look at that. Dirty arms, dirty arms. I think we should make a post and not trust anyone from UT that wants to make a car meet. Look at this guy.